Hi everyone, welcome back to Young Researchers. In today's video, we will cover three important topics regarding PowerPoint presentation. We will discuss about how to add notes to PowerPoint slides. Number two, we will discuss how we can make use of AI tools for adding notes to our PowerPoint. And the third one is that if you add these notes to your presentation, then how can you keep these notes private during your presentation by using presenter view, so that your audience may not get any clue that you have added notes to your PowerPoint. Okay, so we will discuss them one by one. First of all is that how to add notes to PowerPoint slides. So for example, these are PowerPoint slides that you are going to present at any your university conference or any presentation. So how you can add data to your slides that you can speak there while presenting. So if you can see closely, there is a little bit line below, and here if I make it big, it will show as upward and downward arrow. You need to just scroll it above. Here you can see an option of click to add notes. So here you can add notes to this slide. For example, if you are going to convey the message that which information did the audience will get from this slide, you can simply add here about anything that you will speak while presenting in front of audience. So at the end of this slide you can add notes to slides. In the same way, you can add notes to each slide, and it will help you to make your presentation very effective. Like you will not forget anything about what to talk and how to convey the message of slides. Okay, so the second thing is that you can add these notes by your own words in your simple wording that you will speak there while presenting your slides. And the second option is that you can also make use of some AI tools so that it will look more professional and effective, rather than simply using the common words that we are using in normal routine. So the question is how to use AI tools for adding notes. The simple way is to use Chatgpt. If you have paid version of Chatgpt, you can upload your complete PowerPoint to Chatgpt, and it will add notes to the slides, and you can simply download. But if you are a new student and you don't have access to paid version, then don't worry about that. You can simply use Bard AI, and its free version. We already make video regarding how to use AI, Bard AI, for removing any kind of plagiarism and for writing the literature about thesis and paper. If you have not checked the video, we will provide the link of the video in description. You can check from that. Okay, the thing is how you can use AI for writing notes. So for example, if I want to write notes for this slide, what I can do is I can simply copy paste the slide, complete data of slide, and then I will go to Google and I will write here as Bard AI, and you need to click on the first link. If you are new user to Bard AI, it will first ask you to register, or it will first ask you about your name and email, then you can use AI. But if you already have login, it's a free login. Okay, it's a unpaid version that I am showing here. You can also purchase to get advanced Gemini advance by paying each month or per year. Okay. The next thing is that how we can add notes. If I just make a screenshot of this slide, and I can copy paste the data as well, the complete text, but I can also take a screenshot of the slide, and I will copy from here, and I will go to Bard AI and will paste the image by pressing Ctrl V, and I will ask, hi Bard AI, can you make some summarized notes for above slide that we can speak during PPT presentation, and it will summarize the slide into some lines. If it gives you a detailed version, you can ask him to re-summarize the data. For example, here is a summarized notes for the above slide that we have provided to them, that you can ask what are dyes and why they are used in production and impact. If you want in bullet points, you can use copy paste and then paste in the slide as well. But if you need in a paragraph form, in a summarized form, you can again ask AI, kindly summarize in few lines and give me data in paragraph form. So it will summarize your data that you can speak while presenting the slide. You just need to copy paste into the PowerPoint slide. So here is the summary. You just need to copy the data, and you can use these lines while presenting your presentation. Okay, so while you are presenting, you can check the notes, and you can just copy paste these lines, and you can say verbally while showing your slides. Okay, so you don't need to worry about remembering all the data written on the slides and all these things. So it will help you to give your more effective presentation. Now the thing is that like while you are presenting, you don't need to show the audience that you have added notes to slides. So the main problem is that how can you hide your notes from the audience? Okay, so for this reason, it's a common observation that while we are going to present, we usually move towards the slide view or slide show of PowerPoint. For example, if I'm going to present my data, then I will go here down. It is showing as slideshow. You just need to click on here, so it will appear as slideshow, and this screen will be shown to the complete audience. But here the notes are not showing, like the notes that you added to your data, it is not showing there. So from where you can find notes? So you just need to click on the you just need to click on the slide and then right click. After that, you can see the option of show presenter view. When you click on show presenter view, this kind of slide will appear. Okay, so it means like this slide will be available to show to your audience, but these are the notes that you just added. This notes slide, this side of notes will not be appear to your audience. So in this way, you just need to click on the slide and then click on presenter view. So next slides, only these slides will be shown to your audience, but the data in the form of notes that you added to your PowerPoint, it will not be visible to the audience. So in this way, you can hide your notes from audience. Okay, so this is all about today's video. You can add notes to other slide as well, and you can ask AI to help you organize your PowerPoint notes, so that you may not get confused while presenting in front of audience. So this is all about today's video, that how to add notes to slide and how to make use of AI and how to hide the data in the form of notes from the audience by making the slides in presenter mode. Okay, so in coming videos we will discuss about some more interesting topics. So till then, Allah Hafiz.